This is an existing dishwasher in the church that has all the pipes hooked up here, and we need to remove this and install a new dishwasher. This opens up, push to open. Can you push that one to open that right there? Push the button on top. Opens up. That's that. So I think we've got to remove some stuff from here. This is hooked up to this thing, glued up. Glue's right there. And we have to remove the existing stand. There's the screws right there, and install back up in again. So we're going to go take a look at the new dishwasher.